Hello all, if you are following our channel, it means you may know that in the previous video I have mentioned that we have done an CNN training for Paddy image classification of 10 classes, and in that video itself I would have mentioned that we will make some video for making an guy image. So this is the figure which we have made for guy. So you can see over here, this is the Paddy crop classification, and in the previous code, in the previous video, if you are following our channel, means you may know that we have made some modifications with the layer and some activation functions and we got nearly 95% accuracy for training. So that we previously saved in an mat function, that is dot mat, which is net transfer. So that thing only we are loading here, and we are using some test images and then classifying the images. So the output will be displayed over here which image it is. So now we can just close this thing, and we can move with the other running of the code. So I'm just running this code and I'm changing its folder. So we got the thing guy which we have made. So now we can load and input train images, that is test images. So initially I'm going to check with the first class, that is bacterial leaf blight, and I'm going to classify this, and we can see how much accuracy it is displayed correctly as lab bacterial leaf blight, but for this the accuracy is only 60.74. We can just try with some other images. For that I'm just training and with the second class and with some other images. So here also you can see it is classified correctly, and accuracy is also 94.70 something percent. So we can just try with every classes that whether it is showing correctly or predicting correctly for every classes. The prediction will be correct, but only the accuracy will be changing. You can see over here it will be changing. Since we got nearly 95% for accuracy, we will get a good accuracy only, sorry, the correct prediction only. You can see it's blast, and here also we have classified as blast, but the accuracy percentage varies for every single images. We can try with some other different images in the blast itself. So in that case here we got 69%, so now we are getting 66%. So if for every images the accuracy varies, but the class will be correct. So now we can just check with brown spot. So this is also classified correctly, and accuracy is 96 point something. So then we can just check with the dead hot. Whatever random images you can choose, I'm just choosing a random image. So it is also correctly classified as dead hot, but only the accuracy is varying. So I'm just loading with some other images, some other classes images. So we can just try with some other images down. So randomly I'm just choosing. So you can see it is classified, class is corrected classified, but there is some variations in this accuracy. So for testing, so training means it will take some time. So after training, so if you are choosing saving this variable in a MATLAB, and then you have to HISPA, you have to just load that in a guide file, or just you can use without any guide. And if it so means you no need to run the code time to time, because you may know in CNN we have to work obviously with many number of images, and while working with many number of images we will get many time for training itself. So if you are training and just saving its result in a mat function, means while we have to test with some other images, means you can just use that function and you can just classify by this. So it is also correctly classified. Thus we have tested with every classes, that is all 10 Paddy classes. So that's all. In the next video we can see with some other classifications of MATLAB or Python. Thank you.